Hello everyone, welcome back to the show. 1200 CHD Harley Sporty Bob Boy coming at you with another video, and I'm hanging out with my bike, the Sidekick kickstand, that is. I just finished washing it, made a video about that. This shorty video is about lubricating the chain every 300 miles preferred. My bike has 1,500 semi miles, and this is the second time I'm doing an oil chain lubricant clean, if that's what you want to call it. That's what I'll say. So I grabbed gear oil and the Sharpie, and I'm gonna, sorry about that, oh, got you dizzy, make a mark right there so we know where we go. If you could see that mark right there. Yep, this is a winterized chain. It's been through hell all winter long. And my gear oil, and I'm gonna pour a cup in the cap. And I'm gonna start on the gears. Lubricate that. Lubricate that. Lubricate that. Like so. And spin. Wait a while. Watch it drip down with the rag that I already threw out. Let it spin. Let it spin. Grab another cup. There it is. Lubricate that. Lubricate that. All over the place, just like that. And spin. 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 And spin. And spin. Get it all over the tire, just like me. No, don't do as I do. This is for entertainment purposes only. And we're gonna grab some, big spots right there. That's a hazard. Do not put oil on your tires. That I recommend highly. I'm gonna take some brake fluid and spray that whole tire down. Just spin away, spin away, spin away. That gears are working it, working it, working it, working it. Every time you see that white mark, that means it went around. That chain is looped now. Where's that white mark? It went around twice already. And here it is. White mark, right there. That whole sprocket, just loop the whole chain. Don't forget to use brake fluid on your tire. Get off all the grease that you put with your fingers. Don't do as I do. This is for entertainment purposes only. That whole chain is greased. Not a spot missing. And then I'm gonna put the chain protector back on at its spec. Easy as that. Thanks for watching. Supposed to have been a short video.